So you say you're looking for an easy way to find where the action is happening in the markets right now? Well, TrendSpider has many tools to help with that problem. And in this video, we're going to teach you everything you need to know to find exactly what you're looking for. Let's jump in. One of the most efficient ways to find the hottest names right now is with our set of top mentioned watch lists. These watch lists are automatically generated. They pull data directly from Reddit message boards. These are the names that traders just like you and I are talking about and trading right now. You can find the most talked about names today, this week, even this month, but knowing these names is just the first piece of the puzzle. Once you have them, what do you do with them? Well, one thing that you can try is testing your favorite strategy on them to see if any of the names that are hot right now work with your favorite trading conditions. So I'm here in the strategy tester, and we've got a strategy loaded up that we shared some time ago called NFLX and CHATS. As the name suggests, this strategy was developed for Netflix using the CHATS indicator. That's the Chandi Absolute Trend Strength Indicator. It's a TrendSpider exclusive, and you can learn all about it right here. We like this strategy for two reasons. First, it's simple. It utilizes only CHATS indicator conditions for the entry and exit criteria. Second, we like it because it works really well. And when you have a strategy that works really well on one name, perhaps it might work well on other names too. Now, I bet you're thinking, Jason, I can't test every name in that list. It's going to take forever. And how am I going to log all the data to compare it? Well, you are in luck, my friend, because there is a wildly powerful new tool within our strategy tester called the Strategy Variance Explorer, and it's specifically designed to fix this problem. Using the Variance Explorer, we can input up to 30 variants to test at once. What does that mean exactly? What it means is that we can test up to 30 tickers at once, and the tool will automatically create a spreadsheet to show us exactly which tickers this strategy works best on. Pretty cool, right? So I'll open up my watch list here, and I'm going to use the top mentioned names from this week. I'm going to take the top 30 names in this list and add them to the Variance Explorer. Bear with me for just one moment while I get these inputted. Okay, so now I've got all 30 names in there. Let's run this test and see what we find. In just a few seconds, we get a slew of data back that we can quickly analyze. You'll notice here that certain boxes are bright green. These specific data points represent the best data points within each series. Very quickly, I can see that Mara has the best total and average return when using this strategy. Mara and ARM offer the best risk to reward, and Apple has the most wins. Just like that, I've whittled this list of 30 names down to just a few that show some interesting potential for utilizing this strategy. Next, we've got to see if any of these names are meeting the criteria right now. We could look on the charts individually, or we can scan this entire list for our entry criteria. Let's do that so you can learn how to. Jumping back into the strategy tester, I'll click on the three dots up here in the right-hand corner of the entry criteria and choose Save as Template. We'll save this as CHATS long entry, and with the script now saved, we can click Send to and choose the market scanner. Those entry conditions, they're now scanner conditions. Next, in the Scan Through drop-down menu, search Top Mentioned and select the 7-day list. But before we run this scan, let's make one little adjustment. The criteria here is pretty specific, and it is possible that there won't be any names meeting it right now, so let's loosen it up a little. We can do that by defining a window within which these conditions have occurred. Here, I'm going to click on the Happened Within button and say that these conditions have happened within the past 30 candles. We run the scan and find that quite a few names from the top mentioned list have met this criteria recently, but we don't see those 3 names that had the best metrics. So now what do we do? Well, surely those names will meet this criteria again, and when they do, we want to know about it. So we can utilize that script that we just saved to create alerts for our conditions on those 3 names. Let's do it. So now I click on the Visual Scripts button, search CHATS long entry, and load the conditions in. But this time, instead of sending them to the scanner, I'm going to send them to a multi-factor alert. With just a few clicks, I can create an alert for these conditions being met on each of the 3 names that we identified, Mara, Apple, and ARM. The platform will monitor these 3 names for me and send an alert when the desired conditions are true again. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to find the hottest names in the market and what to do when you find them. As always, I hope you found this video helpful. Happy trading, and we'll catch you next time.